Hi, I'm Liam from Fowles and welcome to the Home Renovators auction preview for Wednesday the 23rd of April 2025 at 10 a.m. Well, we've got a beautiful big delivery of unreserved dining tables. They keep coming, folks. Huge value on these. I particularly like this one, the Messmate smoked finish. It's an extension table, so when it's packed up, it's the 1.8, and when you unpack it fully, it goes out to just reading the ticket there, 2.7. So 1.8 out to 2.7, so absolutely fantastic, solid as a rock, very, very nice and in brand new condition. There's a couple of other standard sort of size tables through here as well, and again, unreserved. Couple of $100 is where they usually land. So if you don't need a dining table at the moment, make sure you tell any friends that do. They are absolutely sensational. Speaking of sensational, lots more of this outdoor furniture. This was unreserved last week and it was going for absolute bargains. They've sent more in. It's sensational. So we've got the bar chairs in 4 different varieties there, mostly in twin packs from memory. So it's really supersonic value though, really well worth being here. And also the folding cafe style table as well in the 4 different colours, so you'll get mega bargains on these tomorrow. They were fantastic last week, really good fun. A little bit of bedroom furniture through here. There's an oak bedroom suite. It's all sold separately, so we put each item up separately, but to give you an idea, these were going for around that 160 mark last week, then the larger one around that 180 mark, so that's a fraction of what they are in the shops. And then also bed head as well. I'm pretty sure it's a king size, lot 339, king size bed head. I'm going to have a guess around that sort of $400 mark. Also, we've got the 2 different dressers there. The lower one comes with a mirror, couple of $100 each on those. They were bidding around that last week as well. There's also that French provincial sort of washed out oak style as well, and a matching dresser there, so that's pretty nice. Lots of kitchens as well, and also lots of new wood heaters in this week. So Scandia and Calora being the main brands of wood heater, but yeah, so quite a few different styles that have come through this week. So yeah, really nice, all of those. Some with the wood stack there and just spinning around, having a look and see what they've got here. So yeah, lots of 200 square metre units and a couple of 300 square metre units as well. I really like these. These are an indoor or outdoor wood fireplace, and they come with, as you can see, the stainless steel cooking plate. So you obviously don't have to have that on, but it does give you the option to cook on it, and it can be used in an indoor or outdoor setting. So really fantastic, those units. And the bidding on those from memory last week, about $900. So nearly $3,000 in the shops. Really nice. Nice bath here. That stone cast bath. I'm going to guess about that sort of $1,700 mark. And then also the acrylic baths across here around that sort of $400 to $450 mark, so they've been really popular. And onto the vanities, lots and lots of vanities in. We've got a couple of the fluted ones left, lots of these beautiful concrete finish ones, all around that couple of $100 mark. Really nice buying, but every single size I reckon we've got tomorrow. I can see 600, 750, 900, 1200, 1500, 1800, wall hung and also floor mounted, so great to have all of those in. What else can we see down the back? I can see lots of vanity basins as well, some beautiful vanity basins. That's a nice one there. It's a nice sort of a stone cast in a really nice soft feel there. A couple of these larger LED mirrors left. They were bidding around that 150 mark last week. Good buying on those. And then just some miscellaneous ones through here. I really like this 237. It's the Beaumont LED mirror, but it also has the shaving cabinet that's sort of recessed into the wall. So you've got a really nice sleek finish on the outside, which is it's in brushed gold, but also it does turn. You have the shaving cabinet inside. Lots of shower screens, shower bases, all kinds of stuff to clear here, and also plenty of beautiful sinks, single bowl, double bowl, single with drainer, 1 1/4 with drainer. Frankie, Abbey, probably the 2 brands of note there, and again a fraction of what you'd buy them for in the shops. These black ones here, these beautiful black Frankie sinks, pretty sure last week they were bidding around the $100 mark, maybe even less, maybe $90, but again probably about sort of $700 out in retail land, so a really nice saving. Before we move up that row, we'll just have a quick look. We've got plenty of bathroom and kitchen hardware, so taps, spouts, shower fittings, shower heads, lots of beautiful kitchen taps, Haefele, Frankie, Caroma, amongst some of the brands there, Phoenix, so it's really good brands there, and also heaps and heaps of beautiful Vintec wine fridges there, sort of ranging around that sort of 2.5 mark through to about 4,000, but between sort of a half and a third of what you'd pay in the shops there. Down through here, lots of 900 ovens, lots of 600 ovens as well. Down the bottom here, we've got multiples of this beautiful AEG 6000 series 8 kilo front load washer. 3 years factory warranty on all of these, folks. It looks like there's about 20 of them, and then yeah, bidding last week was around that $800 mark, so really nice buying on those as well. Looks like there's another style of bedroom suite there, and also just to walk past it, a heap of the glass and chrome furniture, and again, fractions of what it sells for in the shop. So I'm talking about sort of 60 to 100 bucks on that. That'll be good buying whenever that comes in. It's always very popular. It's fabulous. A couple of range hoods here, cooktops. I can see ceramic cooktop, gas cooktop. A couple of little. There's two different. Oh, there's a ceramic cooktop there and an little induction cooktop there. So really great to have that in as well. Some unreserved floor rugs here. I think they look like they're all about the same size, about that 160 by 220, sort of a standard size there. They'll all be unreserved. They were going for about that sort of $50 to $80 mark last week, just depending on the popularity of the design. Beautiful X-Display Santorini messmate king size bedhead. Sensational, folks. Unreserved. That'll be really good fun. Speaking of good fun, out the back here we have got some unreserved pavers that I want to show you. Come through and we'll have a quick look at these before we wind up. There are a number of different configurations, so I can see a palette of coping pavers there with the little lip on them, but they're all different styles here, and they are sort of pretty much the same design, so you could do quite a big job with them. I'm going to have a guess, unreserved of course, but I'm going to have a guess and say they'll go around that $5 to $10 a square metre. Could be less though, unreserved, so they will be cleared out. Okay folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the carpet and floor coverings auction and the timber and building materials auction as well. You can see it all on the website. Hope to see you here tomorrow at 10 a.m.